What is going on, everybody in YouTube world? It's Wade with Wade's Ventures. This is going to be an extremely quick video. I'm going to show you guys the warehouse. It's day 4 of getting stuff in here, and yeah, so let me show you what's going on. So this is what it looks like. So basically, you walk in here, this is gonna be, now guys, this is 900 square feet. It's kind of a starter place for me. I think in two years or so, I'll probably get something that's a tad bit bigger with bay doors and stuff, but for now this will work great. So right when you walk in, this is gonna be the area that you see all my bins in the first room. And sorry guys, it's super messy. It's what happens when you're day 4 and you're moving in. So this is my desk, guys. This is where I'm gonna do all my YouTube live videos. Got all my bins over here. Mom is gonna be working over here, so I'll show you where her office is gonna be at. So this is gonna be row 1. And then you have, this is where it's all gonna happen. So you've got my MacBook, I've got a computer hooked up to that, and then my laptop. And this is a sit and stand desk. It's called Evo desk, guys. They're like one of the best desks you can buy for gamers use them. Alright, so row 1, got my ring light for YouTube Live. Row 2 right here for merchandise. So those that purchase merchandise from me, you guys know where it's coming from. Then you've got my male and female mannequin for clothing. This is a huge, cool backdrop. They're kind of spendy, but they're one of the best you can buy. And then I've got my Savage lighting kit, guys. So if you want any of this stuff, it's all on my link tree. If you go to Instagram, you can get all the reselling supplies if you're curious. All right, so we've got, let's continue on with the tour. So, and I may sound weird, guys, I am sick. So now we've got row 3 here. So I believe we've got like almost 300 bins here, and then here's kind of now another row. And as we'll walk by, this is gonna be the lighting box that I use, guys. And basically that's where everything I get in the storage units, this is where I take the pictures. And so you can get these on Amazon. Again, I have a link for it if you guys are curious, but this is kind of cool. And you guys can see I got also two Savage lighting kits on both sides of that, so that way it illuminates the inside. And this was cool. This kind of like desk thing here was actually in here prior to me moving in. So, and then also I've got one of these to see humidity in the office at all times. So yeah, let's go ahead and go. So this is gonna be the first room, and this is the second room. Excuse me. All right, so this thing is crazy messy. So this is where Mom's desk is gonna be. So Mom's desk is gonna be right here. So Mom's gonna work with me full time, and she's gonna be right here. And then now the room looks like there's not a room in here, but there's a ton of room. It doesn't show up really well on camera. There's also another room in there that I can't show on this one because I can't get into it, but that's going to be where I put all these racks. So this will all clear out. Alright, so this is it. This is amazing shipping station. This is where I'm going to be putting all my breakables, especially from that. You guys remember the ham unit? Yeah. That's where a lot of the breakables and music boxes are going to go. And then this is going to be, this is my shipping area. This table is massive. If I slapped a tape measure on that thing, I think it's 6 feet or close to it, so wide. But yeah, shipping station, got pretty much everything imaginable here, guys. So it works great. When I buy storage units, I can bring stuff here to list. And then this is where it goes from here to eBay, or of course here to the post office and then eBay. And so you can see, this is my baby eBay account. I actually did not mean to have this thing pulled up, but yeah, so you can see some of the stuff from that unit has already been listed. Come next week, we're going to be listing a ton of music boxes, a ton of stuff from that unit. And you guys know all those boxes right over there? Yes, that came from the unit, so we're going to get those processed. And then that Amazon box there came from a wholesale company that I'm going to show you guys on another video. A way that you can buy wholesale stuff. They're kind of a newer company on social media, so I think you guys will like that. I've never promoted a wholesale company before, so I've had the chance to promote many, but turned them all down. just because I want to find the best ones for you guys, and I think they're pretty good, so that'll be another video. But yeah, we're gonna do shelving pretty much all around this wall here. It's got security in here, which is nice. It's got sprinkler systems just in case the thing lights on fire, I'll still survive. These racks are unlisted inventory, and yeah, so let me continue on with the tour here. So this right here is a random room. It's actually quite big if you're in here. What is it? Probably a 10 by 10. Anyways, so it's 10 by 10 room. We put the couch in here, and this is actually going to be the kids' room, guys. So this is going to be where the kids hang out. A little rocker there. Of course, I'm going to remove all these Nike shoes and stuff. But yeah, we're going to kind of do this up nice, put a few posters on the wall, and this is where the kids will hang out. We'll also put some carpet down here, because the kids will actually be working with me 4 days out of the week. So they'll actually be here 4 days out of the week. And you can kind of see this is the angle. It's a pretty large area. Alright, so we shall continue. You couldn't see this area, but this is just all the boxes from that storage unit. I brought them here so we can get them listed and processed. A lot of you guys were like, I want to buy stuff from the storage unit. So now we are going to get this stuff listed. It does have a sink in here, which is cool. So, and then also I can get into that room, and I believe it's like a 20 by 20. So it's a pretty big room in there that I can utilize as well once this place is cleared out. And then this is the bathroom. Yes, the warehouse has a bathroom, guys. So this is the bathroom, as you guys can see. You guys are on camera? Okay. Anyways, and then it's got a toilet in there too. So this building was built in 1970, so it's not like a brand new place. Now those are wondering, how much am I paying for this? Yes, let me show you. So I'm actually paying $495 a month. That's it. And it's almost 900 square feet, so almost 1,000 square feet. It's actually more than 1,000 if you include that room. I'm just including these two rooms. $495 plus utilities, and so all said and done about $650 a month, and that includes everything: internet, lights, garbage, sewer, everything. So it's a really good deal, and I can keep things all in one area, so I don't have to you know, I don't have 3 areas. I don't have a storage unit anymore. And then I don't have a place in my house where I'm doing photographs, and then a place in my office where I store stuff, and then in the garage. And then also, guys, you're probably wondering, what am I going to do with the garage? That's going to be where I bring everything from the storage units. I'm going to go through it there, and then I will bring it here to list the stuff that's actually going to go online. So, alright, so that was the tour. If you guys want to join me, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon right below the video. Subscribe. And then also, guys, we have crazy cool stuff happening this year. By the way, I bought 2 storage units today at 11 a.m. You're going to watch this probably tomorrow, this video. So really, yesterday I bought 2 storage units, and I'm picking them up this Friday, possibly Saturday. Or no, I can't pick them up Saturday. Okay. I'm picking up this Friday, guys. So, and last thing, remember, this Saturday is that cool bowling event. So if you're in Oregon, you want to go to the bowling event, let me know. Send me an email. You can go bowling with us resellers. So that being said, hopefully you liked the tour. Have an amazing day. Got to get these packages shipped off. I'll talk to you later. See ya.